Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Belgaum location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for HDB Financial Services. They are looking for sales manager position for the location Belgaum. Education qualification, if you see, any graduation and should have experience minimum 2 years to up to 10 years of experience. If you go through the job description, achievement of business plan targets in terms of volume growth, product mix and market share, responsibility for dealer network management and expansion, managing sales profitability and target accomplishments for the assigned portfolio, promotion of business and institutional sales, planning and executive sales promotion and plans and activities, and effective cost management, responsible for controlling early delinquency, conducting detailed market study to analyze the latest market trends and tracking competitor activities, and providing valuable inputs for the fine-tuning the selling strategies. If you go through the provided website address, you can get to know more detailed information and apply for the job. Next, there is a job openings for Marriott. They have several vacancies. Let us see what are the job openings available for this organization. Firstly, there is a job opening for kitchen stewarding executive. Job location will be Belgavi, and it is under category food and beverage and culinary. So under this, they have vacancy for kitchen stewarding executive, and there is a job opening for housekeeping associate for the location Belgavi under the category housekeeping and laundry. For applying for this job, you can go through the provided website address, and if you can if you can find the more detailed information and you can apply for the job. Next, for the same organization Marriott, they are looking for GSA food and beverage under the category food and beverage and culinary, and finance associate under the category finance and accounting. Location will be Belgavi. You can go through the provided website address and apply for the job. Next, there is a job vacancy for Marriott under the category food and beverage and culinary for the profile Chef Deepati. Job location will be Goa, Anjuna, and they are also looking for commis Goa Marriott Resort under the category food and beverage and culinary. You can go through the provided website address and apply for the job. Next, there is a job opening for assistant manager front office under the category rooms and guest services operations. Job location will be West Goa, and front office associate same location under the category rooms and guest service operations. You can go through the provided website address and find detailed information and apply for the job. Next, for the same organization Marriott, they are looking for training coordinator and finance executive training coordinator under the category human resources. Job location will be Goa, and finance executive under the category finance and accounting. Job location will be Goa Marriott Resort. You can go through the provided website address and apply for the job. You can find detailed information there. Next, there is a job vacancy for quality assurance and training manager for the category human resources. Job location will be Goa. You can go through the provided website address and apply for the job. Next, there is a job openings for public relation executive for the organization Western Solar Systems. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 12,000 a month. Responsibilities: coordinate with sales and service team, maintain back office works. Should have a good fluency in English language. Should have a good communication skills and a knowledge of MS Office and Tally. Should be a positive thinker and should adapt to the circumstances of the organization. Minimum qualification 12th and above. Graduate Graduates are preferred as per the update. And if you have experience also, that will be preference will be given, and freshers also eligible for the job role to apply. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, and there is also I have provided official address details. You can check with that. Next, there is a Java vacancies for servo controls. They have several vacancies. Let us see what are the job openings available. Firstly, vendor development position. Job description, if you go through it, should have a good communication skills for interaction with customer. Should have a knowledge of precision aerospace components machining, heat treatment, special processing, and material testing. Should have expert in vendor development and vendor management. Logistic knowledge is also added advantage. Education qualification, diploma in mechanical engineering, and should have a minimum 3 to 4 years of experience in vendor development. And work will be as per AS 9100-2016 standards. And candidates who are applying should be local, Bangalore or Belgavi. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. There is also official email ID available. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 0831 421 955 and 9448395744, and email ID is hr@servocontrolsindia.com, hr@servocontrolsindia.com. There is also official address details available. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, servo controls, they are looking for design engineer position for hydraulic sales and application engineer. Education qualification required diploma in mechanical or electromechanical. Minimum 5 to 7 years of experience is required. And the job description, if you see, they are also looking for up to 8 years also preference will be given in hydraulics mechanical design. Estimation processing of RFQ or tenders with a tentative hydraulic circuit or layout. Follow up for design or detailing, troubleshooting, review of designs, follow up for execution, site visit, technical discussion, troubleshooting, working as per ISO standards. Candidates must be local Belgavi or willing to relocate to Belgavi. So this is the uh, job description details available. Salary offered minimum 30,000 to up to 35,000 per month. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. There is also official address details and email ID available. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 0831 421 955 and 9448395744, and email ID is hr@servocontrolsindia.com. Next, there is a job opening for fitter assembly for the organization servo controls. Education qualification ITI fitter. Only ITI fitter qualification candidates are eligible for this job role. Should have minimum 3 to 6 years of experience. And job description, if you see, knowledge about assembly hydraulic machines and components, experience in hydraulic mandatory, knowledge about QMS and work process, testing knowledge is required, and knowledge about material selection for assembly, and should have understanding the drawings, should have awareness of assembly and testing equipments, and candidates should be willing to relocate to Belgavi, or candidates who are local to Belgavi will be given preference. Salary as per the yeah, as per the current salary based, they will offer the your the salary. So it depends upon the previous salary, they will offer the current salary. And you can contact on the given phone numbers for more information, or you can also share your resume at the provided email ID. You can check with that. Next, there is job vacancies for EDM operator for the organization server controls. Education qualification ITR diploma, and experience required minimum 4 to 6 years of experience. If we see job description, should have knowledge of EDM as a Charmill machine operating and maintenance, should be able to write and or edit programs for precision machinery, should have knowledge of toolings and handling of instruments. You can go through other details, detailed information available, and candidates must be local Belgavi or willing to relocate to Belgavi location. Salary will be offered as per the current salary based. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. There is also official email ID available. You can check with that. There is also address details available. You can go through it once, and you can contact on the given phone numbers for more information and further details. Next, there is a Java vacancies for hydraulic sales and application engineer for the organization servo controls. If we go through the job description, should you have experience in the field of hydraulics marketing, should you have a knowledge of hydraulic circuits and hydraulic valves, should you have good application knowledge, understanding applications on the projects of hydraulics, and development of new customers, should you have a marketing skills of hydraulic products, and should you have inquiry generation. Like this, there is a uh, detailed information available for the job role. What are the job responsibilities, and description is given clearly. You can go through it once. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, or there is also official email ID available. You can share your resume. Email ID is hr@servocontrolsindia.com. That is hr@servocontrolsindia.com, and contact number is 944-839-5744. Next, there is a vacancy for product manager position for the department production. Experience required minimum 10 to 15 years of experience. Education qualification BE or diploma mechanical. Preference will be given to the Belgaum local candidates, but that is not mandatory. If you are willing to relocate to Belgaum, that is also fine. And job description details given here. You can go through it once and get to know detailed information. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information and further process. There is also official email ID available. You can share your resume, and address details are included here. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 0831421955 and 944839574, and email ID is hr@servocontrolsindia.com. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Belgavi location as soon as possible. Please like our videos, guys. Please support us and share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. And please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Belgavi job. And thank you so much for your support and love. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.